So after some hours, as you can see, this is how the market is looking. So I just took this trade here on gold, and the one that we left running during the Asian session on US30. This is how it's looking. So this is the time, and we just saw this volatility in the markets. And the one thing that I can think of is there must have been some news headlines, because there's no way. What the hell is this? Because even on gold, we had the same movement. This must be news headlines. There ain't no way. I've been trying to check on Trading View. I've been reloading. I don't see anything, but I think it's gonna refresh soon. So this is the P&L of the trades that are currently running. It's been ups and downs here on these trades, as you can see here. So here's what has happened on gold. As you can see, we have officially hit stop loss here, and on US30 we are closer to hitting take profit. Okay, well, here's gold on the 1 hour. What I'm really thinking is, if you see this, if we do have the market close like somewhere below this trend line, there might be a possibility for the market to come for a retest and come all the way to the zone here. As you can see, we also have a trend line here on the higher time frame, so that might be the move of the day here. Okay, so we will see if we can get some retest at around these levels here. Okay, there we have it. TP has been hit right there on US30, but on my broker, when the market was just around here, it didn't trigger my by this thing. It did not trigger my take profit, so I had to put a trailing stop. So as you can see, I only made $80 instead of, I believe, $110. Yeah, I think I was supposed, no, $101. So yeah, I closed it just around there. So yeah, that's what happens sometimes. So as I did say on gold, if we do get a 1 hour candle closing outside of this, I will be interested in taking a sell. So we did get this candle closing outside. So yeah, this will be my final trade of the day if it does get triggered, because we already took 2 trades now, so this will be the third. Well, after thinking about it, I think I need to do something like this. Why? So that I can account for this high right here. Just need my stop loss to cover this high, and then my take profit will be somewhere around down here. So we have been triggered here on our trade on gold. So hopefully this one will go as planned, because we have been on a losing streak here on gold. So this one, hopefully it will go ahead and go to a take profit. Looks like this thing is just gonna go straight ahead for our stop loss here. And I think we are less than a minute in this trade, and already this is happening. Yay. So but we'll see what's gonna happen. Gold, I don't know what gold is doing to me lately, bro. I don't know what gold is doing to me lately, bro. Yo, what the fuck? But as you can see, I've just got bent here. Gold is moving weird lately. I don't know, bro. These were the very same setups that I was taking just weeks ago when I was aiming to pass my funds phase 1 and phase 2. I was taking these very same setups, but now nothing seems to work on gold. So all those profits that we made today, yeah, they are gone back to the markets. So these are the trades for the day. We took 3 trades. So yeah, So we are back to break even. From now, I'm just done, bro. I'm just gonna have to wait for a Asian session. Nothing I could do now in this session. I'm just gonna have to wait for the Asian session. Imagine if this thing just comes to wake me out and still goes in my direction. Yeah, that'll be one hell of a thing, but I'll see during the Asian session. Okay, so traders, today is Tuesday, and these are the trades that I took for the day. First, I was looking to take a buy here on US 30, but then I realized why am I even taking a buy here? Because the market just broke out of the 1 hour structure, and it now has bearish intentions. Broke out of this. Now the market is in a bearish movement. So I realized that looking for buys is not a wise decision. Then I realized, well, here we have a pattern here that just got broken to the downside. That supports the sell trade, then come to tap in. Then I was looking for sells. But then the market had other ideas. This is what happened, as you can see. I was in profits almost 80% along the way. I didn't move my stop loss to break even or anything here. Then the market came to wake me out and look after what happened. But it's okay, bro. It's okay. Same thing happened on gold. So that makes it 3 trades today. On gold, we had a breakout of this here. After this breakout, I was waiting for the market to come and retest this level so that I can enter my position here. Okay, enter my position there and then take profit all the way down there. But as you can see, that did not happen. Okay, but it's fine. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna look for more opportunities in the market. Then I saw this nice pattern forming up here, broken to the downside. The market came to retest. Then I was looking for the market to come continue with the sell idea, but as you can see, the market stalled around here for quite a while, came to wake me out, then continued in my direction. So I don't know here. I don't really know what's the problem. I think my idea of where the market should go is its own point. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Is it a me problem or is just that phase in the market? Because those phases, they do happen. Okay, and because of those spikes that you saw in the market, like equity edge, the slippage is very bad. Let me show you. I lost more than I was supposed to. Okay, well, the first trade $29, that was planned. The second trade $50, that is not what I was planning to risk. Because of slippage, yeah, then we lost more than we should have. As you can see, this here, I think the market just spiked. If I can go into the 1 hour, the 1 minute time frame, you will be able to see, right? For this one, I was risking $35, but look, we ended up losing $50. Second one there, as you can see, $44. This one on gold. This one I was risking exactly $30. $30, aiming to make close to $100. Look what we ended up losing because of slippage. But yeah, $125, that's crazy. So this is the account balance now. This is the account balance. So we'll see because we still have Wednesday, Thursday and Friday before the payout date, which the payout date is on the 24th. So we still have 1 to 3 days to trade. If you do end up in profit, it's okay. I'm not gonna like force for me to end up in profits, so I'm just gonna continue risking $35. That's it. Okay, so we'll see if we end up in profits or what. So because same as the last time, I'm not gonna force myself to kind of like end up in a situation where I'm either blowing the account or getting a payout. So if I don't, even if I don't get a payout for this cycle, it's okay. I'm just gonna keep on trading the normal way that I normally do. So this markup is just what I'm expecting for the Asian session. Okay, so I'm expecting a kind of a push up to the upside from gold, but yeah, we'll see when the Asian session comes.